Hello guys, look what's here. I saw box. From where? From Amazon. Yes, this is from Amazon, guys. Look at it here. From Amazon. Today we will do the unboxing, guys, because I don't know what is it. I just received this box today, so we will see what's inside this box. Okay. So now we will open this box. Okay. So I'm so sure you are so familiar with this area. Yeah, actually I'm doing live streaming here because our internet, our Wi-Fi is there. There, the Wi-Fi is there. So I prefer to stay in the here for the Wi-Fi issue. Yeah. So now we'll do the unboxing because I'm so curious. What is this? Okay, let's see. We'll open. Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Tinkerbell83 and today we'll be having an unboxing. We're gonna having an unboxing, guys, because I just received this box today and I don't know what is it. Yeah, so let's go. You know. Okay, so let's see what is this. Oh, hey. Oh. Okay. Da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum. Oh, a laptop! Amore, may patong laptop. Yes, guys, I have a new laptop today. Yes. Ayan. Grazie mille, amore. Amore, grazie mille. Lenovo. Yes, Lenovo. Then, what's the name of this brand? This one? Yeah, that's the brand. Wow. Open it here. Yeah, I have a new laptop. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much, amore. Okay, guys. Now, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung bakit ako niraguluhan ng laptop ng asawa ko. Amore, wala me. Okay, so ito po yung storya kasi guys eh. 5 buwan na po akong nag-YouTube. Sa umpisa pa lang po talaga. Meron akong sariling laptop pero napaka-old na po niya talaga. At saka super mahina na, hindi na kayanan, loading na lang. So ang ginawa ko, ang ginamit kong laptop ay yung sa asawa ko. So, it's been 5 months na talagang ginagamit ko yung laptop niya. Sabi niya naman niya, bakit kasi hindi ka bumili ng bago? Sabi ko, wag na muna kasi, hindi ko pa naman alam kung kikita ako sa YouTube. So, sabi ko na, wag ka na bumili. Ayan, kasi, paano kung hindi ako kikita? Diba, sayang naman yung binabili na ng laptop. So, ngayon, hindi pa rin ako kumita. Pero at least I'm monetized channel na. So, may hope na rin nakikita ako. Paparating na rin din yung pin ko. Kaya siguro kikita na ng kaunti. Anyway, so yun po ang istorya. Kasi hiram na hiram po ako sa kanya ng kanyang laptop. So, 5 months na ako nahihiram. So, siguro hindi na niya natiis. Kaya, binigyan na lang niya ako ng sorpresa. So, yes guys. Ito po yung sorpresa. At kailangan ko pang mag-study. Hindi, marami pa kasi yun, alam nyo naman yung mga editing, so mahirap yun. So, ito lang po yung ating guys, yung unboxing natin. At ipapaalam ko po sa inyo kung ang brand ba nito ay okay ba siya, mabilis ba siya, so yun. Okay? So, for now, yun lang po muna. So, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you to my next vlog. Bye-bye!